West Bengal. Union Minister has written to the Mamata Banerjee government. In fact, the letter has been addressed to the Chief Minister. It is the second letter. This is after Mamata's second letter to Prime Minister Modi. Union Minister Annapurna Devi writes to Mamata Banerjee. The Union Minister has said that stringent laws for rape already in place. She's also said that exemplary punishment for crimes against women will be awarded. Okay. Annapurna Devi's reaction coming in as questions being asked about the present laws in place. She's hit back at Mamata Banerjee. This after Mamata Banerjee had recently written to Prime Minister Modi a second letter that she had written to Prime Minister Modi. In response to that, the Union Minister saying that there's already strict laws in place. Let me play out that bite for you before we bring in more reactions.
आज भारत सरकार के द्वारा महिला हेल्पलाइन जो 100% भारत सरकार के माध्यम से चलाए जाते हैं, आज बंगाल में लागू नहीं है। महिला हेल्पलाइन अगर लागू होता है तो कहीं भी महिलाएं कोई भी परेशानी हुई तो उससे उनको मदद मिल सकती थी। इसके साथ ही फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट की आज देखें तो बंगाल में बहुत सारे महिलाओं से संबंधित केस पेंडिंग है। फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के लिए भी हमने कहा तो उन्होंने मना किया। आपको जो कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए आपने वो नहीं किया। दूसरा, सबूत मिटाने का प्रयास आपने किया, दोषियों को बचाने का प्रयास किया। तो फिर इस तरह के पत्र का कहीं कोई ये नहीं, जो भारत सरकार के माध्यम से जो योजनाएं चलाई जा रही है या फिर जो चीज आपको करना चाहिए तो
It's been 21 days since the incident took place in Kolkata. CBI has stepped up its probe. The probe agency is now investigating the lapses by hospital authorities and the Kolkata police. CBI sources have told India today that Abhaya's body was found on the 9th of August at the RG Kaur Hospital at 9:30 a.m. The call to police was made at 10 past 10 in the morning. CBI will probe why the 40-minute delay took place in informing the cops. Moreover, sources also said that the cops reached 20 minutes after the first call was made, when the police station was just 1 kilometer away. Ex-Principal Sandeep Ghosh's call records are also under the scanner. The Kolkata police, meanwhile, has released pictures from the crime scene the day Abhaya was found. The cops have identified every person that was present in the room. This after allegations that the crime scene has been tampered with. Meanwhile, opposition has doubled down on its attack on the Mamata Banerjee government. The Congress has said that the Chief Minister is evading her responsibility and that the BJP has slammed Mamata Banerjee for saying that her diversion tactics will not work in the case.
बचाने के चक्कर में संदीप घोष को फंस गई है, तो अब संदीप घोष को बलि का बकरा बनाया जाएगा। पूरा एविडेंस डिस्ट्रॉय किया गया है, एविडेंस कलेक्शन करना पड़ता है। एविडेंस आजकल डिजिटल सिस्टम है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम है, एविडेंस आएगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं आएगा, लेकिन उसमें समय तो लगता है। पश्चिम बंगाल को ममता बनर्जी बंगाल से अलग करके बांग्लादेश की तरह एक राज्य बनाने की कोशिश कर रही है और उसका वो प्रधानमंत्री का सपना देख रही है। इसके लिए जरूरी है कि वो इस्लामिक कंट्रीज को बनाए।